I'm Shae Russell for mining.com.au, and joining me today is Andrew Paterson, the Managing Director for Great Boulder Resources. Andrew, how are you, mate?
I'm good. Always good to chat. Thank you.
And who wouldn't be thrilled to chat with today's announcement, the 20th of January? I believe you have made a new discovery out in Sidewell South. Now, I know we've sort of talked around about some exploration activity happening out here, but, today's announcement really justifies what it is that you've been doing. Mate, for everybody who's just come on board the story, what have you discovered down at Sidewell South?
Yeah, absolutely. So, firstly, we started late last year drill testing this big auger anomaly, which is a geochemical anomaly where we've got gold and a couple of the key pathfinder elements there. And it's one of the biggest anomalies we've ever had, and it's about 2.4 kilometres long. So, we were simply testing it on every 200 metres along strike, starting at the north end, working our way down. And these holes were the last holes drilled just before Christmas. So we literally got the results back last week, and the rig went back to site this weekend, just gone. So the timing is absolutely perfect.
It certainly is. Now, how do you go and follow this up? What are you doing with the rig out there now?
Yeah, so firstly, we're drilling another hole over the top just to confirm the dip and then continue testing that program. There's still more than 100 holes to go. So, it is really early days. It's a 20-metre zone of kind of low-grade mineralisation, but within that we've got 3 metres at more than 4 grams per tonne, so we've called it a high-grade discovery. We have gone pretty early on this one, but we've certainly got high confidence that we're getting onto something there. And the reason is not only the size and scale of the geochemical anomaly, but also we're heading down towards this historic mine working called Golden Bracelet, which is the biggest mine working in that local area. And this hit actually doesn't look like a continuation of that. It looks like something new off to the northeast. So the mine working is about 400 metres away, and then we've got another kilometre plus of anomaly to test south of the mine working. So there's heaps of room to play with there.
There certainly is. Listen, Andrew, you've made a few discoveries in the last couple of years. How does this one compare to those other ones already banked on the books?
Yeah, so this is really interesting. Firstly, in the geochemistry, we talk about having these two types of targets and they're different chemical pathfinder sets. So one is the Mulga Bill style and the other is the ironbark style. So this was an ironbark style anomaly. And what that means is that we're looking for bits of basalt essentially hosted within ultramafic, where the basalt acts to focus the gold mineralisation, and that is exactly what we've got at Ironbark, and it's exactly what we've got at Saltbush, and we're seeing the same thing here. So that's really, really positive. Firstly, that our modelling is correct in terms of our exploration model has stacked up, and secondly, that we're seeing the same kind of configuration as what we've got at Ironbark. So that's great.
Listen, Andrew, congratulations once again on this discovery. This project continues to go from strength to strength. I can't wait to check back in and see what the rig pulls out next. Pardon the pun. It was great chatting with you.
Absolutely. Thanks very much.